A Small Orange is a web hosting company that offers a variety of services, but is it the right choice for you? Before deciding, here are 12 things you need to know that will help you make an informed decision. First, A Small Orange is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. If you're comparing it to other web hosts like Bluehost or SiteGround, it might not have as many high-end features, but for users who want something straightforward without a steep learning curve, it's a solid choice. Next thing, let's talk about speed and reliability. A Small Orange uses SSD storage on all plans, which helps with faster loading times. While this is a good start, it's worth noting that it's not as fast as competitors like HostGator or WP Engine, especially if you're running a resource-heavy website. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. A Small Orange offers 24/7 support via live chat and email. However, based on user reviews, the response times aren't always as quick as other big names in hosting, like SiteGround or Bluehost, which are often praised for their more responsive customer service teams. Now, moving on to their pricing. A Small Orange offers some budget-friendly options, especially for shared hosting. Their entry-level plan starts at just $2.92 per month, which is cheaper than many competitors. However, do note that renewal rates tend to increase significantly, so be prepared for that after your first term. The fifth thing to consider is the range of hosting plans available. While it offers shared, VPS, and reseller hosting, A Small Orange's offerings are more limited compared to larger providers like HostGator or SiteGround, which provide more specialized solutions like managed WordPress hosting. Next thing, A Small Orange is known for its green hosting initiatives. They use renewable energy to power their servers, which is a plus if environmental sustainability is important to you. While other hosts like GreenGeeks also offer eco-friendly services, A Small Orange's commitment is notable for its size and offerings. The seventh thing is their uptime. A Small Orange guarantees 99.9% uptime, which is pretty standard, but some competitors like SiteGround and Bluehost often deliver closer to 99.98%. This small difference can matter if you run a site where uptime is critical. For the eighth thing, A Small Orange has limited data center locations, primarily in the US. While this may not be an issue for most users, global businesses may find this a limitation compared to hosts like Cloudflare or Kinsta that offer multiple international locations. The ninth thing to note is their website builder. While it offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop website builder, it isn't as robust as others like Wix or Squarespace, which are purpose-built for building websites from scratch. If you're looking for a top-tier builder, this might not be your best option. Next, A Small Orange offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is longer than many competitors, like Bluehost, that only offer 30 days. This gives you more time to test the service and decide if it's the right fit for you. The 11th thing is about their security features. A Small Orange includes free SSL certificates with all plans, which is a nice touch. However, compared to some premium hosts like WP Engine or Kinsta, their security options may feel a bit basic, especially if you're running a high-traffic site. And finally, A Small Orange does not offer a dedicated WordPress hosting plan, which might be a deal breaker for WordPress users looking for optimized hosting. If you're primarily running WordPress, consider looking at options like SiteGround or WP Engine, which specialize in optimized WordPress hosting. So, is A Small Orange a good option? Absolutely. It's reliable, affordable, and simple to use. However, if you want a more feature-rich experience with better speed and customer support, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.